Hi everyone, Grant here with Cometly, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your conversion API in ClickBank. So when you log in your ClickBank account and you see this, I want you to head over to vendor settings at the top and click vendor settings. And then you'll see in the smaller subtext up here, you'll see my site, and we want to go ahead and click my site. Okay, then we can scroll down all the way until you get to down here, and we get to, where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, perfect. So add tracking code, and we're going to want to click this big red button that says add tracking code, and type, we're going to select Facebook pixel and add. And then you should see this pop up: pixel ID, access token, event URL. And so for pixel ID, you want to head over to your events manager and copy your pixel and place that right into ClickBank. And then for your access token, you want to go back to your events manager, and you should be able to go to implementations, and you should be able to scroll down and generate access token. Copy that clipboard, go back to ClickBank and paste. And by the way, if you don't see the implementation tab, that's okay. Go ahead into Cometly and search for the article that says I don't see implementations tab, and this is a little GIF video that shows you how to do it. I'll also post this link to this implementations below this video, so you'll be able to see this. Okay, perfect. So we posted our pixel ID and our access token, and now our event URL. So this is the exact landing page that you will be sending traffic from. Okay, so this is your essentially your landing page, right? Your Facebook ad landing page. And so you just need the event URL here. So if your landing page is www, it should be HTTPS, by the way, too. And this could just be grants or grantlandingpage.com. Okay, and that's all you need there. And then you want to go ahead and track as affiliate, and you can do order confirmation page. This will track purchases, and if you want to do order form, that's fine too, but we'd mostly just track purchases. So order confirmation page, hit save, and then make sure, very, very important, you scroll down, very important, it's inactive. Make sure you click the play button here, this green button, and click this to enable it. Then if we scroll back down, now you will see the active status. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.